Have you ever recorded what you thought was the perfect audio, only to play it back and hear background noise, echoes, or static? It's frustrating, right? Last week I recorded an interview with a guest who had incredible insights. But when I hit play, I realized there was a constant hum from a nearby air conditioner. I was devastated, thinking the recording was ruined. Searching for a solution, that's when I came across Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech Tool. It's a free web based platform that uses AI to clean up your audio, making it sound as if it were recorded in a professional studio. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more solutions like this. To access the tool, navigate to podcast.adobe.com and click on Start Enhancing. Sign up for a free account to begin. Enter all the required information to sign up. Click on Choose Files and select your audio file. Supported formats include MP3 and WAV. The tool will automatically process your audio, removing background noise and enhancing speech clarity. Once processing is complete, click Download to save your enhanced audio file. Have you tried any other apps or platforms to clean up your audio? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I did love to check them out and maybe feature them in a future video. Adobe Podcast free plan works great, but it does come with a few limitations. Max 30 minutes or 500 MB per file, so you can't upload long recordings. Up to 1 hour of enhanced audio per day. Once you have hit that, you will need to wait until the next day. Audio only. It doesn't support video files on the free plan. One file at a time and no bulk processing or adjustment controls. Everything is done one upload at a time without manual adjustments. Now listen closely. Here's how it sounded before. Recording check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's after using Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech Tool. Recording check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can hear, the difference is remarkable. What seemed like a bad recording was enhanced in seconds. If you have faced similar issues, give Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech a try. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip on improving your audio and video content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.